Okay, so I went to allskycam.com, and some of these are really kind of strange. That was the San Diego Astronomy Associated Club site. Let's go back into that. And then it's a current time. Yeah, it's a current time. And then you see on this, oh, you can't see what I'm pointing at, but obviously there's a large flare in the middle that fades out. And I've seen this on other channels, but now that I've seen it here and now, I'm wondering if that is some sort of reflection on the camera housing. But the more interesting thing I find is it looks like there's another light source over there on the right. Now maybe it's just the moon going down. And then also if you look at the very last frame available, it looks like it shifts back down at the 6:03. Just a little bit. But on my computer, many of these did not have any reporting. And that's why I got on to start making this video, because I found it odd that there was no reporting from some of the cameras. They were black, like the one here in Switzerland. And then I saw a few strange things. I gotta remember which ones they were. Wow, that's an interesting one for sure. Oh, I just realized you might not even be able to hear me because I have it in a case. Oh, I hope that's not going to be the case. I just made a funny. Let's look in Arizona. Oh, they're socked in with something. Oh, no, you can see that thing flying around away in the middle. Look at that. Whatever that is, right above the pine tree between the words south and west, up at the top of the screen. And it's flying away from us. And we also saw it in another one. It can't be a reflection in this case because there's something blocking it. Look at that pretty red pink. That's pretty neat. So the moon was very bright last night, that's obvious. Savannah skies is usually pretty interesting, but it'll be the middle of the day there, huh? Well, it's nighttime. Shows you what I know about time zones. Let's see what it's like in Massachusetts. Whoa. That just looks huge. Wow. So I've been going to this site for many, many years. I greatly enjoy it. Being able to see real time or virtually real time data. Now you can see on this one, now maybe, I don't know what CUT is, but sometimes they have old images that they're just replaying from the day before. Oh, let's just look at Italy for a minute. Oh, look at those skies. That looks natural. What do you know? Natural skies. I saw natural skies around here recently. It was pleasant, for sure. North Pole, Alaska. That looks pretty socked in. Alaska daylight time, probably ADT. There's that thing right there. It's south again, right in the middle. It just splashes during one frame, and it goes away. And this is an observation of something. I don't know what we're seeing here, but it's right in the middle of the screen on that one as well. Did I look at this one? This is New Mexico. It's usually very good, clear. Wow. There's an object moving away between the south and the west, but it looks much smaller from this angle. or from that place. This looks socked in. Oh, but again, you can, I guess that's the moon. I guess that's what we're supposed to think, is that that's the moon. And it's fading out like that as the sun takes over, shining brighter than it. I don't know. That's interesting, though. I mean, it's just, I would have thought it was a reflection until I saw it in those other ones. Sierra Remote Observatories, Albury, California. Are you going? Well, it doesn't want to go. There we go. Yeah, that's just interesting. But I would think the moon is supposed to be further over. Let me look at it in this vision. Yeah, that's pretty weird. I'm going to call that an observation. Okay, so we found the disc for Sony Vegas. I've been looking for that for a while, and I've installed it, but I have no idea how to use it. But hopefully, with a little help, I'll be able to make more professional looking videos in the near future. And I already have 3 really big ideas. So check out this site if you like looking at the sky cams. They're always there. Wow, that thing's got something moving away between the south and the west at the same time, but in a different place. This is becoming very interesting.